Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and remember to leave your comment in the comment section. And also remember to share the video. I want to take a minute to thank all our followers who make our time each time to watch the video, share the video, and comment on the topic that we share. This is a community that we are building, and we are proud of each of you who make our time to subscribe, watch the video, and share it. Remember that there comes a time when silence is a crime. Because when you watch your neighbor being buried in a shallow grave and you smile, you don't know how your own grave will be. When the secret whisper of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. Few days ago, the presidential flag bearer of the ruling party in Nigeria, APC, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, unveiled his running mate, the former governor of Borno State, SHETTIMA, who has been embroiled in controversy, not just after his nomination, but because of his antecedents. What he's been saying, he has been seen as ethnic jingoist, religious extremist. His phone conversation with the former governor of, I think, Ogun State, Ibiko Motion, where he was detailing his plans against a particular ethnic group in Nigeria, was not only disturbing, but portrays him as a divider, not a unifier.
Speak to journalists?
No.
Sir?
No.
Why not? Are you scared? No, what I'm saying is, are you scared of talking to Nigerians while you are here? Don't you have anything to say to Nigerians? Can't you? You don't have anything to say to Nigerians while you are here as religious, as Christians?
Nothing.
Sir, you two don't have anything to say, sir.
And during his unveiling, they tried to make it look good. Remember, it's a Muslim ticket because Tinubu himself is a Muslim. And the running mate, SHETTIMA of Borno, is also a Muslim. There have been outcries that the diversity of Nigeria was not taken into consideration while nominating SHETTIMA. But to make it look good, Bola Tinubu, who himself is also a controversial figure, his place of birth, shrouded in secrecy. His parenthood, shrouded in secrecy. His education or educational background has always been a controversial thing since he came into public limelight. Now, the unveiling of his running mate has also become a hot potato. In order to make it look good, Bola Ahmed Tinubu organized, quote unquote, hired, or what some journalists have termed unknown bishop. People who the Christian Association of Nigeria has come out to say that they are not their members, they don't know them, that they were hired. And to buttress that point, one of the people hired as a bishop, the unknown bishop, came out to say that the promises they were made were not kept. That they promised to pay them 100,000 to appear in order to make it feel as if the Christian community supported the Muslim ticket. But instead of paying them the 100,000 that was agreed, they ended up giving them 40,000 naira. And here is my question. If before this man becomes the president of Nigeria, now that he wants our vote, he cannot tell us the truth about his place of origin, about his background, educational background, and put to rest the myth surrounding his person, how he came about his wealth, Do you think you can trust him with being the president of Nigeria? If now he is buying people, call them bishop, to lend credence to what he has done, do you think you can trust this man to lead a population of more than 200 million Nigerians, the greatest, in quote, of the black nation? Can you trust him? If the game, as they call it, being politics in Nigeria, where fair is far and far is fair, has started now, can you trust this man with the destiny of 200 million Nigerians? I'll leave this to you, the community, to answer. Because when you see something and keep quiet, you are also a culprit. That's why I keep saying in this channel that it's only the truth that will set that nation free. Aisha Yusuf said that the nomination of Shettima is 100% wickedness. And she also said that 2023 general election is a do or die affair, in the sense that it determines the fate of more than 200 million Nigerians and where we go as a nation. You cannot sit on the fence. You want to believe in structure, that's on you. If you want to lend credence to the saying that every leader is as good as the people that elected them, the choice is yours. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember, you see something, say something, and do something. This is Chris Goes. Beware, do good work, and please keep in touch. One day, like Zambia, Nigeria must be free. Thank you, and God bless you.